wife's vehicle right now, heading to Fossil, Oregon, which is about a 2-hour drive. I had a thermostat go kaput on me. Oh, it's been a while. It's not completely gone. It's just it's not working the way they want it to. So I got a 2-hour drive this morning for something that's going to take me about 15 minutes, and then I got to drive back 2 hours. Life of a one-man band contractor, huh? Wouldn't it be nice if I had somebody to pay to do this? But anyway, it's fine. You know, it is what it is. I'm not going to take work this far away anymore. It's just too much of a pain in the ass. So, yeah, and this whole drive is just windy, so you don't get to the destination as fast as you think. So, you know, 20 miles takes you forever because you're just zigzagging. You don't want to take your eye off the road either because it's real narrow, and a lot of these old farm trucks like to just go right down the. I'm not sure where I lost you there, but what I was saying is I'm going to give away the. This road's so windy, it's moving my phone around and stuff. I'm going to give away those the Hillmore benders. They have the offset piece in them too. They're just my old ones that I've been using, and I got a new set. I'm just going to recycle and give the old ones away and get my new ones. So keep my new ones. So I'm going to get off. This road's way too windy to be talking on the phone. So I'll see you guys back at the shop a little bit later for a little more chat about this. Okay, guys, I'm back from that long drive. Two hours. 2 hours one way. I was there at the house about 20 minutes. Well, probably more closer to 30 because I was chatting up the customer, but literally 15 to 20 minutes worth of work, then 2 hours back home on a Saturday. So at least I got it over with. Now I can relax, have some beers, and enjoy my day. So just a quick heads up. I'm going to show you guys a couple things, a thermostat that I don't like. And I'm going to show you the thermostat that is going to be my go-to until they start breaking on me. But I think it's going to be my go-to for a while. And then I also have an idea, a firm idea, for a tool that I'm going to give away. This time it's not going to be a brand new tool, but it's still a good tool nonetheless. And I just got to come up with a question, so to ask, you know, to come up with a winner. So anyway, I appreciate you guys watching, and without further ado, here's the stuff I just talked about. Alright guys, we're back at the shop now. So, a couple things to go over with you real quickly. So today I went and pulled out this Bosch BCC 100 thermostat. And they're complete junk. And I'll tell you why they're junk. The staging of the heat on them is completely convoluted and a really poor design. So these are Wi-Fi thermostats. Now, some Wi-Fi thermostats don't have the outdoor sensor terminals because they want you to use the internet. I'm all good with that. That's fine. Wi-Fi thermostats that use the local weather data as a lockout mechanism are just fine in my book. This one doesn't even allow you to do that, even though it's Wi-Fi. It's either staged on a timer or staged off of some algorithm that I don't even know what it is. So, junk. I've pulled 5 of these off now, and I'm never installing one again. So my new baby that I've been putting on are these guys. Awesome. It's got the same base that the old T6 Pro thermostats. I shouldn't say old because I still have them, but they're these new Focus Pro P200s have the same base. They have an S1 and an S2 for a sensor, and plus they also, the Wi-Fi version, which I put on today, allows you to do. You can do it either wired or wired sensor, or you can do it via the local weather data, and that works beautifully. So, I mean, you can't beat this thing. This cost me $59 at Johnstone for this, and it'll do up to 4 heat, 2 cool heat pump. Okay, and then the 3 heat, 2 cool, which is fine. And then the The Wi-Fi version is like $89 for a Wi-Fi, you know, programmable thermostat. That's pretty sweet. So I'm down on these. I'm down with these. These are the ones I'm going to put on for a while, unless they start failing on me like the Vision Pros. So I'm cool with that. Let's move on to something else here. So what are we looking at here? This is my Hillmore benders I've used for a couple years now, probably like 3 years, and I'm going to retire them. Over here, where are they? Okay, they're down at the bottom here. I got a brand new set of Hillmore compact bender kit. It's got the offset kit in it, you know, so you can bend close to the wall. Nothing wrong with this old kit. Okay, everything's there. It's got the reverse fittings there, so if you need to get bend close to a wall, you can. I don't use it too often, but everything's here. Everything's works. Nothing's broken. Just a little scratched. This is what I'm going to give away on the next giveaway that I do, next tool giveaway. You know, I'm happy to recycle this to somebody else. It's got many years, I'm sure, left in it. There's nothing that really breaks on these, so just take care of it. I take good care of mine. And I just need to come up with a question to ask everybody again. I think that worked very well last time. I'm going to do it exactly the same way. You know, just put in the comments what your guess is on my question. I'm going to come up with a really good question this time. So that's what I'm going to do, guys. So this is the next thing to give away. Totally fine, used Hillmore tubing bender kit. So yeah, maybe this will be yours. We will find out.